one slip down or pull down, my titties is out. Not that as much titties to show in the beginning anyway. Hi Sour Patch Gang, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have another clothing haul from Forever21. This one in particular is vacation because we're back outside. Woo, woo, woo. So if you need some help with finding the perfect vacations outfit and that's cheap and inexpensive, stay put. So before we get into it, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And check out my Instagram at GN to the side. So first up we have this beautiful crop top, woven top cami, light blue, and then I paired it with these jeans from Pretty Little Thing because I didn't have a bottom to go with it. So we're gonna try this bad boy on and we're gonna get into the details. So let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm back. This is the first top. I just want to say sorry if you hear the music outside. They are blasting music outside my window. It's summertime. That's what they do in New York, and especially in the hood. Anyway, this is the first top from Forever21. I also got this in white, so you'll see this in the next outfit that I try on. I'll put together with this top. So with this top, I have on the mauve jeans. I thought it was super cute. This top obviously is a size small. I always recommend going a size up because it's not one of those tops that you can put on your head. Meaning that this top on the 1 to 10 is hella difficult, and it's a 10 because it's so difficult to put on. So in order to put this top on and get the back that I achieved, let me show you guys. You have to put this on from bottom up and it will crisscross by itself. If you try to put this top on over your head, your titty will be out, one arm will be over here, this will be over here, and it's just ain't gonna work. So I suggest putting these type of tops on from bottom and up and you'll be good to go. Other than that, I really love this top. It's perfect for summertime, perfect for going out to eat with the girls or going on a date, and it's not revealing too much. I even look cute with some super like short shorts. So if you have short shorts and over the knee heels, I feel like you'll be good to go. So on to the next. Hey guys, I'm back. So this was the first outfit, the woven top. The second outfit is pretty similar. All I have is different jeans. I actually got those jeans that you will be seeing in a second from Forever21, but I got them in person. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I get this top 8.5. It would have been a 9 only because it's really difficult to put on and you can get super frustrated and you're not going to want to put it on. Especially with the heat we've been having in NYC and in other places. Ain't nobody got time for that. With the mom jeans, it's a perfect 10. The look is actually a 10. Or with some jeans, you'll be good to go. So moving on to the next one that is similar. So it's basically same shirt, just in white, with some flare jeans that you'll see in a second. So on to this outfit. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is the second outfit. Same top, flare pants. You can't really see the flare pants, which fucking sucks because that's what I really wanted you guys to see. But don't fret, I will make sure you see them. Anyway, same top, same bag. Had to put my hair up. It's too fucking hot, so I'm like a little over and I'm trying to get together and get through this as fast as possible. So the same top, just in white. The pants are actually, I thought I had the tag, but I don't. They're actually flare bell bottoms, so they're like just regular bell bottoms, and they are very stretchy, super friendly. I think they're a size 2 or 4, and I just love the way it looks with this outfit. So yeah, I will show you guys in a separate video how the bottom looks, so don't worry about it. But same top, same outfit, you know. This one is a 10 out of 10 because I actually like the way this fits together. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get on to the next outfit. So hey guys, I'm back. That was the second outfit. 10 out of 10. I really love the way the top goes with the pants. And I kind of like this color better. It's complements in both top and bottom. And it doesn't take away from one or the other. So this is definitely a 10 out of 10. So the next outfit we're going to try on, which is another lovely vacation dress I got from Forever21. And I'll give you the details as we try it on. So let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is this is the third outfit. This is the Crochet-Trim Smocked Mini Dress in the size small. I absolutely love it. It's free. I feel good. I feel hot. I feel lightweight. It shows off my curves. It's super cute. It's also very super short, not gonna lie. So this is the front of the dress. It has buttons. It has the cute lace trim around the chest area. And then it has trims on the bottom of the dress. And then it has buttons going down in the middle. So this is the front. And this is the back. The back is kind of the same way. Super cute. I just love it. It's a body. It's not bodycon, I want to say, because I don't think it said that. But it fits like a bodycon dress if you're into those type of styling of dresses. This is super cute with some sneakers, white ups, Converses, even sandals. You can dress this up or dress this down. And that's what I love about this dress. So I give this dress a 10 because I just feel so comfortable. And the most important thing about this dress is I can be fat in it and I probably won't stretch like Winnie the Pooh. So on to the next dress. So hey guys, I'm back. This dress, 10 out of 10, you can't go wrong. I'm going to leave all the details down below about these outfits, so don't worry. I hope to see some of you ladies in these dresses. Forever21 really did their thing for the vacation selection, so that's what I forgot to mention. These are all part of the Forever21 vacation collection. Please check that out. I'll get more into that after I'm finished with these clothing items. So the next one I have is this purple cow something dress. I don't remember the name. So we're going to try this on and get into the details. Hey guys, and I'm back. This dress is the Cowl Neck Cami Mini Dress. And this is the color Mauve. I don't really know how I feel about this dress. I mean, it's not bad, but it just does nothing for me or for my body. First off, I want to say the material is very lightweight. Once again, that's what you want to wear in the summer. You don't want to wear hot-ass dresses with hot-ass fabrics because you're just going to sweat and you're just going to be mad uncomfortable. So I give them that. Other than that, the color. The color is what I got it for too because I like purple. The purple mauve is, it looks good on my skin. I like skin complexion. I like it. I just don't like how big it fits and how like one slip down or pull down. My titties is out. Not that as much titties to show in the beginning anyway. But I just don't like it. It's just too big. This is the front. Let me just show you the back. This is the back. I feel like the back is supposed to be either like pulled up a little more, like till I like it, like if I tie it and make it tight. Oh, okay, wait, so I just looked in the mirror. So wait, if I pull it up, let's see. If I pull it up like this, get it tight, it's still kind of cute or whatever. But I don't know if I like it like that enough to actually make it tighter or adjust it. So we're just gonna, I don't know. We're just gonna keep this one in the bag and see what I do with it. If I don't do anything with it, be on the lookout because I'm gonna give it away. But you guys let me know how you feel about this dress. From the 1 to 10, I give it a fucking 5. Because, yeah, very disappointed in the dress because I wanted to like it and it's purple. So on to the next one, you guys, and I'm back. So on a scale of 1 to 10, you guys already know how I feel about this dress. It's a 5. I feel like if I do adjust the straps, it might give something. It might give what it's supposed to be given. But I don't know. I'm still gonna see. I don't really care for this dress. So the next dress we have is the satin woman dress magneta. I actually bought this in store, so we're gonna try it on and see how it fits. Hey guys, I'm back. I absolutely love it, and to be quite honest, I fucking hate the color pink, but baby, this dress is definitely gonna be light on the town, vacation, ready to turn up for my girls, with a few Bahama Mamas, margaritas, tequila shots, what fucking ever, okay? Like, I absolutely love it. This is the woman small, what is that, magenta dress. Ooh, it's giving what it's supposed to be gay. Honey, I just love it. It's short, it's cute, it's super fun, shows off my legs, accentuates the neckline or whatever. And it just gives me everything it's supposed to give and more. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 10. I finally got a piece that was hitting from Forever21. Because you know sometimes Forever21 is like H&M. It's a hit or fucking miss. But all of the stuff that I got is definitely hit. Except for that purple puppet dress. Anyways, we'll get into that afterwards. But this is the front of the dress. Whoosh. This is the back. Whoosh. And baby, I'm ready to go out. Are you girls ready to go out? Because I'm ready to get me a sugar sandy or something. to the next dress, ladies. Hey guys, and I'm back. So you already know how I feel about this magenta dress. I don't even want to take it off because that's how much I love it. But the next one is pretty similar. This one is obviously a fucking 10. Are you shitting me? Are you dumb? I don't even need your opinion. I didn't have. Anyways, the next one we have is the satin cowl white marble dress. I actually wore this dress from the back, so I'm gonna give you guys the details over there. So let's get into it, guys. In the back, this dress is actually the satin cowl neck mini dress. Cream is the color and it's Motown size small. I absolutely love this dress. Again, this dress is super lightweight. That's what I'm going for this whole spring/summer, because baby, I cannot do it. The way we're getting a preview in NYC for this weather, I feel like we're gonna have a hot ass summer, and I just cannot be sweating in nobody's dress and looking crazy. So this is my best bet. I love it. It's lightweight. The only thing about these satin dresses is that sometimes when it's like really hot outside and you have like lotion and it's like products on, it can stick to your skin, so it's best to just go dry or lotion up really early in the day, and when you get ready to go out, you should be good. But other than that, I love this dress. This is the front, and this is the back. So it's like pretty much the same as the first dress, just different color. And this one has a marble pattern. You can't really see it. As I stated earlier, as a fun fact, I wore this dress already, and I just love everything about it. And I can't wait to wear it again. And I actually washed it. This dress has liquor spilled on it. Oh man, that was such a wild night. But on a scale of 1 to 10, it's a motherfucking 10. On to the next and final vacation dress. Hey guys, and I'm back. So this was the cowl satin dress. You already know how I feel about it. It's a fucking 10. 10 for the win. And I love it. And you guys better go get it after this once I drop it below. Like, enough said. So the next and final dress that I have is the woman black dress, short dress. Baby, we're about to bring some legs in this dress. So let's get into the details. Hey guys, and I'm back. This is the last and final dress. This is the M-Slit Maxi black dress. Way back. This dress is super cute. It's definitely giving beach vibes. Definitely top 5 for vacation dresses. Super lightweight. Love it. They did have it in another color. I think it was teal. I don't know why they didn't get teal. I felt like that might have been a hard color, but whatever. Anyways, I love it. It comes with 2 slits. Can't really see it, but I'll show you in the picture. Comes with 2 slits on the side. It's super long, goes all the way down to your feet. I like the cutout at the stomach, and then you can like separate this to show a little boobie cleavage. Once again, I'm just showing flat chest, you know, like no boobie cleavage, but whatever, it's okay. So this is the front, this is the side, because the side has cut out too. So over there, and I'll show you guys the back. This is the back. The back is pretty dope. The whole dress, to be honest, is dope as fuck. I love it. Definitely, you don't really even have to wear this on vacation. You could definitely wear this going out with the girls or whatever to get some drinks and stuff, and you'll be good. It's not heavy, and it doesn't make you feel hot or drag you down. It's a little wrinkly because this dress has been in the bag for about a month. I'll explain why. But overall, 10 out of 10, and I love it. So I hope you guys like it, and let's get on to the overall review of Forever 21 in these vacation haul dresses. Hey guys, and I am back. This is the black slip maxi dress. It's a 10 out of 10, and I have to say I love it, and I hope you guys get it. So this haul was from Forever 21. It was a part of the vacation collection that Forever 21 had on their page. These pieces were actually supposed to go with me to Puerto Rico, but they did not make it, unfortunately. Or I took some and I didn't even get to wear that much. But these pieces have been sitting in my bag for about a month, so I haven't worn none of them, which is fucking sad. But now that it's starting to get hot and the weather is starting to pick up, I can actually wear these. So I have to say, for Forever 21 being Forever 21, if you know, you know. This collection altogether would have to be an 8.5, and I really enjoyed the pieces. My favorite pieces were the crop tops with the jeans and the white dress, and then the pink and the satin dress. They all was given what they were supposed to be gave, except for the purple one, the mauve dress. Be on the lookout for that because I don't know if I really like that dress or what I'm gonna do with that dress. So you guys let me know about that dress down below. So all of these pieces I love, I love, I love. You guys should definitely get it, and it was inexpensive as fuck. I think that's why I got so many pieces, and this video might be a little longer than most of my, excuse me, clothing haul videos. But overall, it did the damn thing, and I can't wait for you guys to see how it looks. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see how I put them together and how you like them. So with that being said, I hope you guys like this video as much as I love making it. And I'm so sorry if you hear the music in the background or if you heard the AC or whatever. It was just a lot going on today outside in front of my building because it's hot, and you know people love to go outside when it's hot. But overall, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really had so much fun. Also, this new thing that I'm trying is a poll. So I'm incorporating new content in my YouTube channel, and before I do it, which I know you guys are really gonna love it, I'm just gonna double check and make sure with you guys that you like it. So I'm gonna leave a poll at the end of this video, and you guys leave down below in the comment which one would you rather see more of. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below which one was your favorite piece, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.